Welcome to the myPass How to Set Up a Courier for Express Shipping video. Courier considerations. When using a courier, the student or requester ordering the transcript needs to make the courier arrangements and is responsible for all courier fees. When express shipping is selected, a courier waybill needs to be uploaded to complete the order. Under Order History, click the link to Upload Waybill at the top of the screen. Select the order the waybill is for. Upload or drag and drop the file and click Upload. You can view an unofficial copy of the ordered document. If the status is in progress, you can also view the waybill or remove the waybill from an order on the Order History window. If you upload the wrong PDF image instead of the waybill, you can select the original order, remove the file, and upload the correct waybill. If a waybill is not uploaded within 5 business days, the order will be sent via regular mail. Once you have selected a courier and created a shipping label through their pickup and delivery process, they will require some important information. They will need the student's full name and the pickup address. Please refer to the instructions in the Action Required email from myPass. You may need to check your spam folder. Pickup hours are between 10 a.m. and 4:20 p.m. Monday to Friday, not including statutory holidays. The size of the envelope is 9 by 12 inches and it weighs less than 1 pound.